Panelists, Shiv Sena today resembles a shivering cat painted with tiger stripes. And with every monsoon rain, the paint is coming off. Navika, what is happening right now is not happening for the first time, nor is it the last. I mean, think about this for a second. What does it tell you about morality and conscience in politics when grown-up legislators are kidnapped and treated like kindergarten children? 27 of Shiv Sena MLAs are in Surat. 106 of BJP MLAs are going to be shifted to Ahmedabad. These MLAs are sworn to serve Maharashtra. ये तो गुजरात पहुंचे हुए हैं और अभी कांग्रेस और एनसीपी का तो पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है. हॉर्स ट्रेडिंग, रिजॉर्ट पॉलिटिक्स, पोस्ट पोल अलायंसेस, रबर स्टैम्प स्पीकर्स एंड गवर्नर्स, ऑल दिस वुड बी फनी if it wasn't so utterly tragic. Sena asked for votes on the basis of ridiculing both Congress and the NCP. Same was the case with JDS and Congress in Karnataka and BJP and JJP in Haryana. They fight like cats and dogs and convince the voters that they are politically and ideologically polar opposites. And as soon as the results come in, the two poles get sucked towards each other to form the core. Voters मंदिर के घंटे हैं क्या, जो आता है बजा के चला जाता है. I repeat, MVA conjured through a post-poll alliance with former adversaries is a total betrayal of the mandate. But I also have to say this, Navika, the BJP too tried to conjure up a post-poll alliance with a corrupt adversary. Remember that 3 a.m. swearing in? And remember Manipur 2017? The BJP had 21 MLAs in a 60-seat house. Congress had 28. And yet, the governor invited the BJP to a floor test despite the fact that it did not have a post-poll alliance with NPF 4, NPP 4, LSP 1 or TMC 1. Navika, politics is the most successful public sector undertaking ever devised. This is because the players know and understand Darwinian axiom, survival of the fittest. They are competing to survive. They are mutating to survive. And that is why it is foolish to invest so much time and energy watching from the sidelines what is essentially a roulette and spin. The players switch sides at will and no one loses in the long run. X is a prefix found most frequently in a politician's CV. Ex-BJP, ex-Congress, ex-BSP, ex-AAP, ex-SP, ex-CPIM, ex-TMP, ex-Sena. Pre-poll alliance, post-poll agreement, coalition dharma, caste arithmetic, regional agreement, local pact, religious deal. बोलते चले जाओ. These are all telltales, genetic markers of the disease called politics. Navika, just 10 seconds. As for Sena, thing is, once the tiger turns into a cat, it can no longer hunt. It can only sniff around for its next meal. Problem is, the Congress and the NCP have already pushed the milk bowls towards it. The only benefactor left now is BJP. और कोई choice नहीं है सेना के पास.